Hi everyone, it's Fiona from Nadaya Financial and it's Mortgage Monday. Yes, it's been a while and I'm back on track for 2020 with my weekly Mortgage Monday videos to update you on exciting and fun stuff about financial, mortgage, broking, interest ratey kind of stuff that hopefully can teach you a thing or two. Today I'm going to discuss living expenses. Now the last time I talked about this was about 12 months ago and it wasn't as much of an issue as it is now. So what's going on is when people are applying for loans, whether it be for a purchase or a build or even just a refinance, they're having to present their 3 months worth of transactional statements to the bank. Now, what's happening with that is the bank is looking at their statements, which is kind of standard because we have to give 3 months worth of transaction statements for every application we do now. It's across the board. They scrutinise every single thing that comes out on your bank statement, which is normal. We expect that. The only thing is when you write down your living expenses with your broker or if you go into a bank, is you need to write down exactly what your living expenses are. All right? So first of all, you need to go through and categorise everything: entertainment, petrol, electricity bill, school fees, all of that stuff. It needs to be written down. Even if it seems like a lot to you, it may end up being okay. You just need to be honest with your expenses because the bank will check up on and look at it on the statement. So if you're going for a loan in 3 months, now is the time to rein in the spending. Slow down on the spending for the next 3 months because these are the statements that the bank's going to get and they need to see that you can afford the loan comfortably based on the living expenses that you've declared that you spend. Of course, there are going to be times where you have one-off expenses. For example, you've gone out and bought yourself a new barbecue, or you've got yourself a car with the savings in the bank. Well, of course, that's going to blow out your living expenses for the month, but if it's a one-off, the bank understands. So just advise your broker that these expenses here are a one-off and not a regular repayment. So the moral to the story today is if you're going for a loan, whether it be for a refinance, a purchase, a build, anything like that, 3 months before you're about to do it, slow down on your spending because these statements are going to be provided to the bank so you can apply for the loan with the bank to show that your living expenses are what you state they are. All right, that's it from me today. If you need any further information on anything I've discussed, please feel free to leave a message below. Have a great day.